I was up 2% on the Nasdaq, and it reversed. It hit my break even. I will show you the trade I took. I will show you what I'm looking for on the S&P 500, on the Nasdaq, and GBP JPY, right? And let's get to the chart. Obviously, this is a counter trend trade because obviously we have been clearly bullish recently, and we're overall bullish on the higher time frames. But we have to think about where we come into. We come into a very strong area of resistance. Look at this level. Look, when price came into this level, we melted, and it wasn't just we fell very rapidly, and it was a very impulsive move off this level. Now when I looked at it, I saw these 2 4-hour rejections here below this little ray that I formed. And then if you go on the hourly, you could see, let's just zoom in, zoom in, you can see that doji candle right there. I saw that doji and I executed a sell position. I was up 2%, right? When I saw this candle close like this, I moved my stop losses above these highs, and it reversed and took me out, and my entry was around here, so just around this level right here. And yeah, we got taken out close to break even. So now what I'm looking for is, I want to see if price can continue to maintain below this little level, this red line. If we can continue to maintain below it, if we can come back and get another rejection, I will set it down to 25,000, which is this area of support. Looking for the exact same thing on the S&P 500, this strong resistance. I'm looking for price to maintain below it for sells. GBP JPY, you can clearly see that we have obviously on the daily time frame printed a huge wick to the downside and now pushed up. But the problem for me is, like, I've seen double tops throughout this uptrend. Like, we've just always tapped a few times, then pushed up, came back, pushed up. So when I see this 1 week, this tap, I'm expecting us to come back and retest this level down here again for a continuation to the upside. Right now we have this minor area of resistance which we are respecting. If we can break and retest that level, we can look for buys into this area of resistance right here. Right now, if we maintain below this level, I can see us potentially coming back down around to these lows and then continuing the trend to the upside.